Clean truck here. Check this one out. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado. K1500 regular cab. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile truck. 51,708 on this one. And it shows, boy, dark Toreador red. Burgundy interior. We'll get to that in just a little bit. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter Vortec V8. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look at how good the chrome and the bright work looks up front on this one. Bug shield already installed. All right, still pictures. So you can see this truck from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, bed. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Goodyear Wrangler radials. Looks like plenty of tread left on those also. And you'll see that on all four tires close up in the still pictures. Around the wheel wells looking good. Lower rockers, look at that, still has a protective strip. What it came with right behind the running board. There should be one right back here. Looks original because it is showing its age a little bit with the cracks. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I see. Look at the rear wheel wells. Doesn't appear that this has been out in a lot of Midwest winters, let's put it that way. Note the side glass is tinted, as well as the rear glass. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. GM Duraliner already installed in the bed. And as you can see by the tailpipe, this does have newer exhaust from the cat's back. Take a look at the underside. You're going to see what I'm talking about there also. Also has a new battery, new rear wheel cylinders. Brakes are 90% in the front, new in the rear. Little oil cooler line weep, technician noted. Other than that, this one drives out well. Anybody that's driven this truck that I've talked to said it drives out very, very well. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And you can see up and down this driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Hey, you're going to find an imperfection in it here or there. It's a 97. It's not perfect, but man, it looks solid. You can see it's probably been buffed and washing up. It's losing a little of that pinstripe, kind of fading out. Not the end of the world, especially with what trucks cost these days and what you can get into these older ones for. And there is a lot of life left in them. There's no doubt about that. Again, 51,708 miles. And tried and true, 5.7 liter Vortec, all right. Modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got power lumbar over here. Now, let me show you something too on these seats. I'm gonna step back. So there's the true color of that interior. It's a nice deep wine color. If I get right up on top of it, it's gonna wanna wash it out. That is not the color of that seat. I'll do it one more time. If you've watched the videos before, certain colors do that. There you go. Tilt column, cruise control. There's the exact miles, 51,708, and that is confirmed on the Carfax with no accidents indicated. Top of the dash looking good. AM, FM cassette player. We've not played around with that. So that is working. Of course, push button, 4-wheel drive, electronic transfer case. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Sliding rear window. Headliner, nice shape. Head door closes nice. Slip around to the back. Of course, the receiver. You can hear it run. Sounds as you would expect. All right, let me slip up to the front. Pause this a quick second. I want to get the hood open so you can see the engine bay. There's a few little specks up on top of the hood. Again, paint's not perfect, but it sure shows well. All right, let's get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. Hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. That doesn't surprise me. Doesn't look like it's been out in a lot of inclement weather. There it is. Look how clean that engine bay is. So 350 cubic inches, 5.7 liter Vortec. Plenty of power and reliable. It's a 1997 Chevrolet K1500 regular cab. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available, of course. We can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1997 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. Less than 55,000 miles on this truck. It's got to be one of the most dependable trucks in the US. This era of Chevy, and this towards the end of that era, perfected nearly in burgundy paint, burgundy interior, looking very good. An automatic on the column, four-wheel drive option, of course. Feels very low mile. Cruise control functioning as it should. Stereo working as well. Tachometer and speedometer equipped and working as they should. The fuel gauge a little over half a tank. The battery charging over 14 volts. Oil pressure approximately 50 psi. And the temperature almost a quarter of the way up. That is all looking good. The carpet, the seats, the dash, the headliner. I don't see a flaw in here. It is very, very good condition. Bed liner in the back. Suspension feels low mile as well. A nice ride to this truck. You have the flip up center rest between the seats for your armrest. Split bench in cloth. You're not going to stick to these seats. Got a little bit of traffic to wait for. There's one crack in the windshield right here on the left side. The AC blows cold. The wipers work. These are the kind of trucks I'm always like, let me see about looking at how much they want, because this is a desirable truck for myself. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.